Rise up with the morning sun, feel the fire within. Every day's a battle, every day we win. No fear of the unknown, no regrets for what's been. Life's a journey, so let's begin. Live it loud, live it proud, every moment counts. Climb the peaks, face the clouds, leave no room for doubts. With strength in our veins and dreams in our sights, we'll embrace the day and all the nights. Break free from the shadows, step into the light. Every challenge, every fall fuels our fight. The road may be rough, but our spirits are bright. We'll make our own way, guided by our might. Live it loud, live it proud, every moment counts. Climb the peaks, face the clouds, leave no room for doubts. With strength in our veins and dreams in our sights, we'll embrace the day and all the nights. Life's too short for second guesses. We'll make our mark, no half-hearted pledges. With every breath, we'll seize the chances and dance through life's unexpected advances. Hear the call of the wild, feel the pulse of the earth. In every heartbeat, know our worth. We're the captains of our destiny, the rulers of our mirth. Living life with strength and unyielding birth. Live it loud, live it proud, every moment counts. Climb the peaks, face the crowds, leave no room for doubts. With strength in our veins and dreams in our sights,